Okay, this one's cute, but can we just talk about the humpage that's going on up here? Girl, the filler fibers on this are serious. Okay, Bobbi Boss, you're still not coming with it.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancies, but alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
My eyes wide open, you're so close. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though. You hide behind all of your foes, all of your clothes, and all of your hoes. They play their role, they're selling their soul. They pay their toll as they get in control. Getting exposed and letting it show. Setting up failure, watching it grow. I know I can see your eyes closed, cause my eyes be wide open and now everyone knows. Picking up the pieces, releases the piece that you've been told. Holding on to breathe, you proceed to believe you're free suppose. I can hear the weeds that you're sneaking and seeking to dispose. I smell it inside of your clothes, repelling the stuff in my nose. Your friends are foes and you ain't living in reality. No originality, where's your personality? You're a whole disparity, a joke from the hilarity. My eyes wide open, you're so close. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though. You hide behind all of your foes, all of your clothes, and all of your hoes. What does it even matter? These friends, they come and go. Your life is a disaster. You reap it what you sow. You master sell with laughter. Get you a tissue roll.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is a new one from Bobbi Boss. This one is in the style MLF379 Gardenia in the color number 2. So let's just jump into the specs. So with this unit, you do get your singular HD lace parting going right down the middle. It does also come with 2 combs right in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. This one definitely is not pre-plucked, even though it does come with baby hairs. The front of it is pretty dense. The density on it is pretty full. This is everything to the front, and if I had to guess, I want to say it's about 150. It's not super thin, but it's not super thick either. It's right in the middle. The texture on this one is like a very soft yaki. It doesn't necessarily feel silky, but it doesn't feel super yaki either, if that makes any sense. The length comes right above my boob, so it's like a natural length. Now you probably can't really notice on camera, but this one definitely does have a good amount of filler fibers right here. It doesn't say how high you can go on heat for this unit, but I just went in with my straightening brush on the first heat setting and just kind of pressed that down some, because it was giving me some hump action, and even that has not fully gotten away from the hump action. I feel like they kind of use too many filler fibers in the front. And as far as the cap size, I would consider this definitely small and medium head friendly, but not necessarily big head friendly, because I have adjusted the strap some and it's fitting my head ridiculously tight. So I wouldn't necessarily consider this one big head friendly. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this one. My biggest con is probably just going to be the filler fibers that are right up here. Like I said, I just feel like it's too thick and it's doing a little bit too much. Even if it doesn't look like it on camera, like honey, it is super thick up here for like no reason. And also another con I had was just the hump action, but like I said, I just went in with my straightening brush and flattened it down some, and it took the heat very well. But I definitely would go with a lower temperature just to be on the safe side and make sure you're not getting no melting or nothing going on, honey. So those are definitely my two probably only cons that I have with this unit. My pros are, I think it is a really cute look. I do like the style a lot. It's different. I really like the natural length that they have going on. I like the texture. The texture is pretty nice. The density is very nice. As a whole, I feel like I do like it and I would pick it up again, but this definitely is going to be one that you're going to have to put some work into for sure, especially because like I said, the front does not come pre-plucked, so you do kind of have to work with that. As a whole, I feel like this is a cute look, but that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below in the unit to want me to pick up any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.